Alrighty, folks of the internet. Well, we've already done the top 2 programming languages according to Stack Overflow 2020 and how to do a hello world in those languages. So let's do now the top web framework. And I am sorry for the error in the first video when the subscription animation done here was far too loud. However, let's learn how to do a hello world in ASP.NET Core. So I'm not sure what ASP.NET Core is, or if it even exists on Linux. ASP.NET Core, install. Download .NET for Windows. .NET Core, including ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core. You can get it for Windows and Linux. .NET Core, ASP.NET Core. Downloads for .NET Framework and .NET Core. I probably want Core. I probably want the SDK. Save that, and then let's see if we can run it in Linux. ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core install. And Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. It already knew I was in Linux. Build and run apps. Unsupported releases: Alpine, Fedora, Ubuntu. Ubuntu 20. How do I download it? wget imports it to install the runtime. Wow, it's only at 19%. Alright, let's go back to Windows where it's going to be easier to do .NET apps, I imagine. Let's install. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of stuff to download in Linux. Because I'm on the old gigabit connection. And it's at 21%. It's only going 85 kilobits a second. Craziness. I wonder what's wrong with that. Anyway, run installer verify .NET command. We're going to need a new command prompt. .NET did stuff. Get started. Hello world. That's a good thing they know that we're going to do hello world. Scenario. Download .NET SDK. We already did. .NET. Good enough. .NET new console. My app. CD my app. Can I do that in PowerShell? It's doing stuff. Yeah. Alright, so here's our hello world example. Where do I save this? In the my app folder called program.cs. Alright, now what do we do? Continue. .NET run. And we see hello world. Alright, we've done downloading on Linux. Let's install the runtime. .NET. Alright, well we have .NET on Linux. So let's see if we can do the same thing that we already did in Windows. Oh, that's funny. They already have a Hello World application in there before we even save the file. Whoops. Whoops. What did I break? Alright, so .NET run. Alrighty, so the next step that we're going to do, like we're doing in all these videos, is just how to do a loop in .NET. I was hoping to do ASP, but I guess we're doing... I guess it is C#. I don't know the difference. Oh well. For initializer conditions operator, it's the exact same thing as JavaScript. I wonder if it casts types properly. We're gonna do 1 to 9. Trying that on for size. No, I wrote something. Too many characters in character literal. So what did I break? I guess it's the single quote versus the double quote. It's the silliest thing in the world for a programming language to be concerned with. Try that on for size. Die words, look at that. Oh, it only went up to 9 though. Less than or equal to 9. Yippity-dippity-doo, and it's 1 to 9. Hello world. Alrighty guys. Well, thank you very much for joining, and we will be back in a second for our last video of the evening, which is going to be to do with React in Node. I'm supposed to do a web framework actually. So how do I create a hello world in ASP.NET? Hello world in 10 minutes. That's the difference between ASP and .NET. I think we can actually use that. No HTTPS. No, I guess we need to do .NET new web app because it has a standard app. Continue. Welcome. We would just want to change welcome to .NET run. So that's the difference between ASP.NET and C#. C# is the console language, and ASP is our localhost 9000 web framework. And I forgot I was working on web frameworks. Here's my website. It's on localhost 9000 or whatever that says. 5000, I don't know. 5000? Anyway, let's go ahead and edit the probably program.cs. Wow, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Pages. Oh, there's even other pages existing here. Home, privacy. Maybe it's home I'm looking for. Index.cs file. CHTML. Welcome is going to be hello world. And .NET. And I wonder if it will reload, do a hot reload. You are wonderful. If I save this file while it's already running, no, I have to rerun it in order to hot reload. You are wonderful. And it's getting the home page. The title and the metadata is in this object here. And I wonder what the index model is. Index.chtml. It's probably the CS file. It's not doing too much, it's just logging stuff. It's not even logging anything. That model's kind of useless, but we changed the title to world. And that, my friends, is how to hello world in ASP.NET. Sorry for the confusion around the console program originally. Bye now.